So here we are at the Gladstone boatyard. I've just parked the bike up after the long drive from Sydney. I was working on the way at the Gold Coast, doing some boat work. Here we are with Skyebird. Needs a coat of anti-foul, new boot line, and the teak tow rail's taking a bit of a battering. It's the Queensland sun is pretty hard on everything. You need special aluminium anti-fouling for the outboard, which I use. And yeah, there's our Contessa 25 Skyebird. So the decks. Queensland's Gladstone's a famous place for coal, so there's probably coal dust and everything. See the black there, and it's just starting to rain. Here we go. Inside Skyebird for the first time in a long time. Yep. Now it's a good sign. I left one solar panel connected to keep the batteries topped, and I had one light on. Otherwise the 3 lead acid batteries would deteriorate substantially. Look at the bilge, see if there's any fresh water come in. Oh, look, quite a lot of fresh water's come in. Yeah, quite a lot. So yeah, quite a lot of fresh water's got in through the deck. That's over a period of 6 months, so that's what happens. A 50-year-old boat, your decks tend to leak. But there she is, Skyebird, getting ready for her next adventure if I get her all sorted out. This is the big thing, is the tiller, because it's a laminated tiller, and I was worried it wasn't going to survive, but it looks like it's just about survived. It'll rub down and revarnish, but I think the actual integrity of the tiller is still okay, so that's a good sign. Also the cockroaches, I don't know how many cockroaches there are, but like, that's my cockroach bait holder, the tops of bottles, and it's empty, so they've eaten all the bait, which means there's not many. I can't see any dead cockroaches. It's a bit weird. I did get rid of a lot before anyway, but yeah.